Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by collecting durations and clear dependencies for every activity. This is the foundation. Next, draw a network diagram and number each node so paths are visible. Once done, label each activity with its earliest start and finish placeholders. Do not calculate yet. Make sure to resolve ambiguous links immediately because missing dependencies break the chain. This focused start gets you into calculation mode fast and prevents rework later when you compute forward and backward passes. You now perform the forward pass. Calculate ES and EF through the network, adding durations along directed paths to find earliest values. Once forward pass is complete, flip to a backward pass from project end to compute LF and LS. Subtract durations to propagate late dates. Then compute total float for each activity to reveal flexibility. If multiple parallel paths exist, compare path durations. The longest path at the end of forward pass becomes your tentative critical path. Confirm it after floats are computed. You finish by marking all activities with 0 total float as the critical path. These control project duration. Then verify that the sum of durations along that path equals the project's overall duration. If it does, you have the true critical chain. If you find inconsistencies, adjust durations or dependencies and repeat forward/backward passes. Often a single mislinked dependency causes errors. As a troubleshooting tip, when values don't balance, recheck dependency types and any assumed start constraints before changing numbers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.